As the years pass, many people notice their muscles becoming weaker, their energy dipping, and everyday tasks feeling harder than before. This silent struggle is often caused by sarcopenia, a natural yet dangerous decline in muscle mass that comes with aging. It doesn't just reduce strength, it threatens balance, mobility, and independence. Most people turn to protein or exercise alone, but there's a powerful secret hiding in your fruit bowl. Certain fruits contain remarkable nutrients that do far more than just nourish your body. They actively support muscle growth, reduce inflammation, and help reverse muscle loss. While many overlook fruit in their battle against aging, science now shows that some fruits have a unique ability to rebuild damaged muscle tissue and improve physical performance at any age. If you're looking to stay strong, active, and youthful well into your later years, it's time to rethink what's on your plate. Avocados, tart cherries, pomegranates, prunes, and apples are not just everyday fruits. They are nature's medicine for aging muscles. They are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, natural compounds, and micronutrients that can trigger repair, reduce oxidative stress, and energize your entire body. In this video, we'll explore how these 5 fruits can help you fight back against sarcopenia naturally. Whether you're in your 40s, 60s, or beyond, it's never too late to take control of your health and rebuild what time has taken away. These delicious healing fruits may be the missing piece in your diet, your natural shield against muscle decline. Get ready to discover how simple, tasty changes can deliver powerful results for your strength, your movement, and your future. 1. Avocado. Avocado is one of the most powerful fruits for rebuilding muscle and reversing sarcopenia. It is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that support hormone production, including testosterone, which plays a key role in maintaining muscle mass. These fats also help reduce inflammation in the body, which is important because chronic inflammation can accelerate muscle loss with age. Avocados are also loaded with potassium, which helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents muscle cramps. They contain a high amount of magnesium as well, which supports muscle function and helps the body convert food into energy more efficiently. Another important nutrient found in avocados is vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. In older adults, protecting muscle tissue from oxidative stress is essential for preserving strength and mobility. Avocados are also a good source of B vitamins, especially B6 and folate, which assist in protein metabolism. This means your body can better use the protein you eat to build and repair muscle fibers. Avocados also contain fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports gut health, both of which are connected to better muscle recovery. In clinical studies, diets that include avocados have been linked to better physical performance, improved balance, and reduced risk of muscle decline. Some doctors even recommend adding half an avocado a day to the diet of older adults trying to regain strength. Its creamy texture makes it easy to include in many meals, whether mashed on toast, sliced into salads, or blended into smoothies. Unlike many other fruits, avocado is low in sugar, making it ideal for those watching their blood sugar levels. For anyone trying to fight sarcopenia naturally, avocado offers a unique combination of nutrients that nourish, protect, and restore muscles from the inside out. 2. Tart cherry. Tart cherry is a powerful fruit that can help rebuild muscle and reverse the effects of sarcopenia. Unlike sweet cherries, tart cherries are especially rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a major factor in muscle loss as we age, and by reducing it, tart cherries help protect and preserve muscle tissue. These cherries are also known to lower markers of muscle damage after exercise, which speeds up recovery and reduces soreness. This makes them especially useful for older adults who may experience longer recovery times. Tart cherries are also a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that improves sleep quality. Good sleep is essential for muscle repair, as most muscle growth occurs during deep rest. In studies, people who consumed tart cherry juice regularly showed better sleep and improved physical performance, especially in strength and endurance. Tart cherries also contain small amounts of potassium and magnesium, which help support proper muscle function and prevent cramps. Another key benefit is their ability to improve blood flow, which ensures that muscles receive enough oxygen and nutrients to stay healthy and strong. Some researchers have found that older adults who drink tart cherry juice daily experience improved walking speed and grip strength, both of which are key markers of muscle health in aging populations. Tart cherries are easy to include in your diet through juice, dried fruits, or supplements. Just a small serving a day can help your body recover from physical activity and build new muscle tissue more efficiently. Unlike synthetic anti-inflammatory drugs, tart cherries work gently without side effects, making them a safe and natural option for long-term use. For anyone looking to reverse muscle loss and stay active with age, tart cherries offer a simple, tasty, and scientifically supported solution to strengthen the body and reduce decline. 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a powerful fruit that supports muscle health and helps reverse sarcopenia through its rich supply of antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds. One of the key components in pomegranate is ellagic acid, which has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to muscle breakdown in aging individuals. Oxidative stress damages muscle fibers over time, leading to weakness and reduced function. But pomegranate's antioxidants protect muscle cells and promote healing. Another important compound found in pomegranate is urolithin A, which is produced when the body digests pomegranate polyphenols. Urolithin A has been shown in scientific studies to improve the health of mitochondria in muscle cells, helping them produce energy more efficiently and resist age-related decline. This is important because as we age, our cells become less efficient at energy production, leading to muscle fatigue and loss. Pomegranate is also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen formation and tissue repair, both of which are vital for maintaining muscle integrity and flexibility. Additionally, pomegranate improves blood circulation, which helps deliver more oxygen and nutrients to muscles during recovery and growth. Better blood flow means faster healing and improved performance, especially in older adults. Studies have shown that individuals who consume pomegranate extract or juice regularly experience improved endurance, reduced muscle soreness, and better strength retention after physical activity. It can be consumed as fresh fruit, juice, or in supplement form, making it a flexible addition to any diet. Including pomegranate in your daily routine supports the repair and growth of muscle fibers while also protecting them from further damage. For those struggling with age-related muscle loss, pomegranate offers a scientifically supported, natural way to preserve strength, increase energy, and rebuild muscle over time, making it a smart choice in the fight against sarcopenia. 4. Prune. Prune, also known as dried plum, is a highly effective fruit for supporting muscle health and reversing the effects of sarcopenia. It is rich in antioxidants, especially phenolic compounds, which help reduce oxidative stress in muscle tissues. As we age, free radicals can damage muscle cells and speed up the loss of strength and mass. The antioxidants in prunes work to neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting muscle fibers from breakdown. Prunes are also an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in muscle contraction, nerve function, and fluid balance. Proper potassium levels help prevent muscle cramps and weakness, which are common in older adults. Another key nutrient in prunes is boron, a trace mineral that supports the metabolism of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, all crucial for maintaining strong muscles and bones. Boron has also been linked to improved coordination and reduced inflammation, both of which contribute to better muscle function. Prunes contain sorbitol and dietary fiber, which support gut health and digestion. A healthy gut has been shown to influence muscle function by improving nutrient absorption and reducing systemic inflammation. Clinical studies have also found that regular consumption of prunes can help maintain bone density, which is closely tied to muscle strength and balance. Prunes offer natural sweetness without a blood sugar spike, making them safe for older adults managing insulin levels. They are easy to include in the diet, whether eaten alone, added to oatmeal, or blended into smoothies. Prunes have been used for generations as a health-boosting food, and modern science confirms their value in fighting age-related muscle loss. By nourishing the body with essential minerals, protecting muscles from oxidative damage, and supporting tissue repair, prunes stand out as a natural ally in the fight against sarcopenia. Including just a few prunes a day can make a lasting difference in strength, mobility, and overall vitality. 5. Apple. Apple is a simple yet powerful fruit that plays a helpful role in rebuilding muscle and reversing sarcopenia. One of its most important compounds is ursolic acid, found in the skin of the apple. Ursolic acid has been shown in research to stimulate muscle growth by increasing insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, a hormone that promotes muscle development and repair. This compound also helps reduce muscle wasting by limiting the activity of genes that break down muscle tissue. In aging individuals where muscle loss is often slow but steady, this support is essential. Apples are also high in antioxidants such as quercetin and vitamin C, which reduce inflammation and protect muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This protection helps maintain strength and improves recovery after physical activity. Apples contain dietary fiber, which supports gut health and ensures the efficient absorption of nutrients required for muscle repair. A healthy gut is closely linked to better immune function and lower levels of systemic inflammation, both of which benefit muscle maintenance in older adults. Apples also provide natural energy through their balanced sugar content and help stabilize blood sugar levels due to their fiber, preventing the fatigue that often comes with energy crashes. Regular apple consumption has been linked to improved physical function and lower risk of chronic diseases that can affect muscle health, such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Apples are widely available, easy to digest, and require no preparation, making them an ideal daily fruit for people of all ages. For those seeking to preserve or rebuild muscle mass naturally, eating apples, especially with the skin, offers a simple and affordable way to supply the body with compounds that repair, protect, and energize muscle tissue. Whether eaten fresh, baked, or blended into smoothies, apples are a daily defense against the slow decline of muscle strength that comes with age. Fighting sarcopenia doesn't always require complicated treatments or expensive supplements. Sometimes the answer lies in simple, natural foods that offer powerful benefits. Avocados, tart cherries, pomegranates, prunes, and apples each bring unique nutrients that support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and improve overall strength. These fruits nourish the body with essential antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that target the root causes of muscle loss. They also help boost energy, enhance recovery, and support better physical performance in daily life. Including these fruits regularly in your diet can make a meaningful difference, especially as you age. They are easy to find, simple to prepare, and gentle on the body. While exercise and protein remain important, these fruits provide the extra support needed to rebuild muscle naturally and safely. Choosing the right foods every day can help you stay strong, mobile, and independent. With nature's help, reversing muscle decline becomes a realistic goal, not just a hope. Let your journey to stronger muscles begin with these 5 powerful fruits.